Hey there guys, this is Rocky Red Panda here for P&D Studios. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. That's right, like and subscribe for more awesome videos on my channel. This is kind of like a review thing, so it's going to be pretty cool. Currently, this is my keyboard situation. This is a big clunky keyboard. It's a Bluetooth keyboard, connects Bluetooth directly to my computer. This keyboard was made by the company Mac Alley. I've had this for a few years. It's a nice keyboard. You have your number, there we go, number trackpad over here, your keys in the middle, and it's a full-size keyboard. Well, I've had this for a few years. I honestly think, let's see here. It gets the job done and what I need. Everything's great, but I think it's time for an upgrade. Upgrade? Did I hear upgrade? Sure. You ready? Goodbye. We don't need you anymore because we're going to be moving to a brand new keyboard, which is this baby right here. This is called a Keychron K6, a sleek, compact, wireless, mechanical keyboard. That's right. Let's see what it says here on the back. Battery life with a capacity of 4,000 milliamp battery life, lasts up to 4 weeks. When the backlight is labeled, pairs up to 3 devices. Wireless and wired, dual compatibility, compact design, light effect. Alright, let's take a look at this bad boy, the Keychron K6. So, inside the box you get this. You get your little instruction booklet here, which shows you all about the Keychron little instruction card. Then you also get this, your little instruction booklet. This is your little tool if you wish to change out any of the keys. And then over here, you get some spare keys itself. So let's kind of put all this aside. And let's take a look at the Keychron itself. This is it. This is the Keychron keyboard. I love it. It's small, it's sleek, and it is absolutely beautiful because you can do this. Listen. Just like that. I love the sound. It's clacky, it's clicky. I mean, compare it to the size. Small, big, bulky, but when you compare it to this one, let's put this on top. We'll put this down, put this on top. It's literally half the size. Plus it's heavy, but I do like this. So let's go ahead and let's get this a whirl. Let's turn it on for the first time. Oh my goodness. Look at all these lights. It lights up, folks. That is so cool. I'm going to get it connected to my computer here, but this keyboard is absolutely amazing. Oh, I love you. So many days of fun stuff is going to happen with this keyboard. Now, I bought this off of eBay, refurbished, and I think I only paid like $30, $40 for this keyboard. But, I wonder. Let's see. How much would this keyboard cost new? Well, we'll find out here because I'm going to use my old keyboard. We're going to find out. So this, again, is a Keychron K6. Keychron K6. Alright, let's see, we're shopping. The Keychron K6 and Keychron itself. About right. Okay. So Keychron K6, so about right. I paid roughly about the price of how much this would cost new. Which is okay. I mean, I love the Keychron. I think it's tactile. It'll get the job done. And it is absolutely Beautiful. So if you're looking for an awesome keyboard that has the little clicky click stuff and everything that you need, I'm going to highly suggest getting this. The price, this is a Keychron 6. Highly worth it, folks. Highly worth it. Now maybe you'll be one of those lucky people, because I am going to be giving one of these away. So yeah, I'm going to be giving away a Keychron 6. That's right. Maybe you'll get your little paws on one. So all you have to do is like, subscribe, and share once this video goes out, and one lucky person will end up getting one of these beauties. How about that? Oh, leg stands. It's going to be so nice working with you. Oh my goodness. The possibilities. Well, this is Rocky Red Panda signing out. I'm going to get this all set up, but make sure you guys again like and subscribe. That's right, like and subscribe to my video for more awesome stuff. Till next time, folks, keep on typing. Oh boy.